Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me again. Today I'm going to introduce something new, Study Skills Sunday. In these videos, I'm going to teach you research-based ways to study so everyone can get the good grades they need. Most of you've probably had your first test by now, and I bet many of you are pretty worried. Did you know most students study for an exam by rereading their notes, rereading their textbook? Did you also know that is the least effective way to study? Here's the idea. The information that you are going to be tested on, it's already in your brain. What will help you remember it and maybe more importantly retrieve it is to practice retrieving the information. When you take the time to force yourself to think about what you've already learned, what you've already read, you are strengthening the neural pathways. That will help you on the next exam. So how can you practice retrieving the information? The first thing you can do is after a lecture, at least within 24 hours of the lecture, replay the lecture in your head and then write down the 3 most important things. Don't look at your notes, don't look at your book. Just write down what you think are the 3 most important things from that lecture. Then check your answers. If you left out something, then elaborate, draw a picture. Then you can move on. After about 2 or 3 days, you should do a brain dump. A brain dump is when you write down everything you can recall thus far from the readings and from the lectures. And of course, without looking at your notes. After you finish writing all the material down, then it's important that you do compare that information to your notes and correct any mistakes. Then at the end of the week, you need to do an end of week review. And by that I mean look back at your textbook. At the beginning of every chapter, there are objectives written. Write down those objectives. Then put away your text, put away your notes, and try to answer those objectives. Write them out. Then check your answers. Those are some ways you can practice retrieving information. If you continue to do this throughout the semester, you will see an improvement in your grades. This material that I'm sharing with you is supported by an enormous amount of research. It's very effective. Please join me for my next Study Skills Sunday next week. I look forward to seeing you again. Hi, thanks for watching my video. If you found my video helpful, please indicate it by hitting the like button. You're also welcome to leave any questions or comments down below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll receive notification of all my future videos. Thank you.